Hello, my name is Deeparsh and I'm a first year Bachelor's of Computing Science student. I love technology, love listening to music and love exploring stuff. Oh, Makerspace is a lovely place. I recommend everyone to come and have a look over there. We have a couple of VR rooms over there, 3D printers. You guys can come in, use our materials and print stuff right out of there. Moreover, we have a couple of M1 Macs. There's a dedicated podcasting room as well. If you guys want to shoot an interview, feel free to. So a Makerspace ambassador is like a position where university students take over that position, and we are just here to give you guys tour. Whenever you come in, if you have any questions, you can simply ask us. We are just here to help you out. I get to meet new people every single day, and that's one of the great things I like about this place.